Welcome to the Pauper Gauntlet. It's time to play Tortured Toolbox, and this deck lost in an epic fight with Love Train in the first round, so this deck is up for elimination, and so far only one deck has been eliminated, and this is not going to be the second one. Tortured Toolbox. Playing against HMS Chicago again. Telling him I have a new deck. Okay, this looks great, doesn't it? He also has a new deck. Oh, he played the stuff thing. So, getting some swamps. How many colors do we have this time? We only have Golgari. He mulligans to 5. We are experiencing a bit of lag because we're uploading. Hope that won't cause us a timeout. But as you know the rule, whatever happens in the Pauper Gauntlet happens in the Pauper Gauntlet. Okay, let's go for the swamp. And F6. How much remains of the upload? 11%. So play Fume Spitter, get another swamp. No. Flame Suited, get a forest. And I think I have to get it right now. So I can F6. Save some time. Now I have to see if he plays something I need to target with the Fume Spitter. I can do that next turn though. Faithless Looting. Nothing dangerous in the yard. Is this when we have to resolve Tortured Existence? Yeah, it is, isn't it? When he can't counter, because Tortured Existence is the key to me winning. So that's what we are doing instead of playing the Wayfinder. Getting a swamp. It looks a lot like his old deck. Maybe he just tweaked it. In that case, it's sort of a DelverFiend is a control thing. I should have played Tortured Existence, but I was so afraid of an early Delver. Fume Spitter, Tortured Existence, the Fume Spitter. But I'm getting nowhere that way. He only has 3 cards. No, I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna play the Wayfinder. We don't miss, and we put Crows and Tusker in the graveyard. We get another swamp. And we are of course going to have to use the Tortured Existence here. Discarding Cryptras for the Tusker, I think. Unless he does something very interesting. Well, that guy needs to die. Okay, I'm doing it. Tortured Existence for Crows and Tusker. Discarding Cryptrats. Cycle the Tusker. Take another forest, I guess. Kill the Delver. Play a Wayfinder. Oh, he misses. But I got Stinkweed. I wish you could like do something with this graveyard. You can see it. I'm taking huge risks with a Kill Fiend here. Huge risks. But if I live, I'll just play the Night Stalker. You probably can never allow a Kill Fiend to live. This is the draw card thing, yes, not the flashback. That's Artful Dodge. Double block for sure. Oh, we can't block. Okay, Night Stalker, use Tortured Existence. Got back the Stinkweed Imp. Browns. Oh, now we can do the. We can get back the. Gravescarbler. This is going to be countered, I think. But it puts him at one card. Maybe we want a Crypt Rat, I'm not sure. Let's just discard the Stinkweed Imp. Discard, choose the Gravescrabbler. Discard Stinkweed Imp. My lag seems to be gone. Is the upload finished? So then we are getting back the brown scale, I think. What did we get? Nothing. Gain 2 life. So we retrieve the Night Stalker. Oh, yeah, we have to kill it. Discard Grave Scrabbler. Discard with Madness. Play it. Cast with Madness. Retrieving Tree Folk or Elder. Tree Folk. Yes. And then we play the Tree Folk and get the land. Rot Farm. Should have a quicksand somewhere here. Rot Farm Barrenmore. Play the Rot Farm. That felt good. Still in danger. Though not a lot of danger. Looting. Maybe we are in a lot of danger. But he can only keep 2 cards. 1 card. And we'll play Night Stalker. The thing I like with the Golgari torches is that you don't get stuck on mana. Because I thought that was pretty hard with the black red deck. And there's nothing I can do. It's a 7-2. And there's a Delver, so it's over, I think. We have 28 cards left, so I can get back the Stinkweed Imp. I torture existence the Stinkweed Imp for the Fume Spitter. Or even that. Yeah, we discard the brown scale. Play the Fume Spitter. Kill the Delver. Play the Night Stalker. Yes. I didn't have to choose target point, but that's good. And now we just win. Get back that guy. Swing with the team. Crypt Rats for 3. Play Crypt Rats. Just play a lot of things. Play Brown Scale. Play the Wayfinder. Taking the forest. There's a Grave Scrabbler. Isn't that marvelous? Yeah, he needs to do something pretty substantial here. Okay, let's see if... I think we should categorize him as DelverFiend now. So we take out the Night Stalkers, because they are too expensive, and the Battlefield Scrounger, and the Yavimaya Elder. We bring in 3 Duress, 3 Diabolic Edict. So we had to take out something else, Tree Folk. Yeah, we get less grindy, more to the point. We actually took out the Tree Folk and the Night Stalker that helped us win, but they only helped us win because he had such a slow start, I think. Yeah, we lost the Love Train in the first round. But now I have 2 chances to put this in the 3rd round of the Pauper Gauntlet. And man, do I want that. I am gonna resolve a Tortured Existence. Actually, I'm not if he plays a turn 1 Delver. Then I'm gonna murder that turn 1 Delver with my Fume Spitter. And then I'm gonna have a giganormous mana problem. And Kiln Fiend does not make it easier, so to res what? Blessing, I guess. So yes, Mana Leak, Piracy Charm. I need mana. Yeah, hit me hard. Kill Fiend. There is a Tortured Existence. We discard Stinkweed Imp for the Fume Spitter. Next turn. Or at the end of his turn. I feel this is the hard spot in Tortured Existence decks, because now I can't use the Stinkweed Imp. Retrieve Fume Spitter. Discard Stinkweed Imp. I have to draw here. Yes. Play Fume Spitter. Use it. Play the land. Get more lands. Get a Rot Farm. Lose my Diabolic Edicts. And now we can retrieve Fume Spitter with the Grave Scrabbler. That's 1 dead Wayfinder. So this time we do the Stinkweed Imp thing, which nets us more imps. And then we discard. We retrieve the Fume Spitter. Ping 1. Discard that. Discard it with Madness. Cast the Grave Scrabbler. Retrieving A Wayfinder. Yes. Play the Rot Farm. That felt good, but the Kilnfiend is still around, presenting a significant danger. Use the Stinkweed Imp. Play the Forest. Play Fume Spitter. Use it. Get back the Fume Spitter. Discard. We already have another Stinkweed Imp, right? Didn't we? Oh, we have two in hand. Discard the Stinkweed Imp. Play the Fume Spitter. And there he gets countered. So we play the Wayfinder and we're done. Getting a Swamp. Which we don't play. No, we already played land. So these guys are on guard duty while we try to do the same thing again. To clear the board. 31 cards left, so there's a brown scale. Discard, get the Fume Spitter, discard the Stinkweed Imp. Play the Fume Spitter. Kill it. Attack. So what kind of nice creatures do we have here? I think I'm just getting another Wayfinder. Play the Wayfinder. Going deeper and deeper. Losing another Edict. And we're done. Oh, Blightning. We discard those things, I guess. Making us discard is not really terrible. So let's get some life. I feel I should have something better in my graveyard to get back. Putrid Leech, Putrid Leech, Putrid Leech, Putrid Leech. I guess we just have to get the Putrid Leech then. Discarding the brown scale. Play the Putrid Leech. I really miss the things we sideboarded out. Tree Folk. Elder Night Stalker Scrounger. Ooh. But we are getting back the brown scale again, of course. I don't really have any heavy hitters left. I'm just winning with crap. But not getting back the Night Stalker seems bad. I would have liked one Night Stalker in the deck. Swing. I'm not pumping. Yeah. Tortured Existence. Tortured Toolbox moves to the third round of the Pauper Gauntlet, winning over DelverFiend. Nice. Thank you for